Good morning, my fellow skiers and riders. Sam Lukey here with your Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update for Wednesday, November 28th. Mother Nature has let up on the rain and given us clear conditions which couldn't be more perfect. Lots of snow on the trails today with some light winds and fading clouds. Thanks to this weather, you'll have some amazing scenery as you make your way down the mountain. Plenty of trails open today, such as Ralph's Run, Challenger, Look Mom, Sundowner, and Indian Summer. Don't forget to take advantage of our Cyber Week deals at Wachusett.com, which are good this week through Friday. Enter the code cybermon at the checkout. I hope you're all as excited as I am. If so, come on down and prove it. Remember always to check our daily snow reports and our social media for the latest updates. See you guys on the slopes.